So I get a bangle like that?
We do food so till I can't like it, huh?
No, I don't want to see my belly. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a mukbang. My friend, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, this is Shekkle Don.
That's it? He also has a YouTube channel, guys.
Yes, so the name of the YouTube channel is Shekkle Don Entertainment.
Alright, so barbecue, legs, wings, rolls, fries, my dip, nuggets, bread and that. What are your nuggets first?
Alright. Dipping sauce? This is dipping sauce?
No, just regular.
Sugar?
No, just regular. Why?
It have a sour taste.
Guys, he caught on to it before anything. So I deliberately put lime juice on that to see if you're gonna tell me if you're gonna tell me that the food that tastes nice.
Come here, so it's so sour.
Jesus.
You see how wicked? But that's why you give me alone.
Yes.
You give me alone. I guess me I wonder why you take the nuggets for yourself.
Because you put the vinegar upon your one.
We'll be asking each other some questions. A combination of two.
A mukbang and
Would you rather? Would you rather lose the ability to read or lose the ability to speak?
definitely lose the ability to speak. Me can always write. Suppose me can't read no. Eh? And me sign away my life or me look at Spooky send me one text and me can't read it. No. I can't manage that. Rather not talk. And I already don't talk much, so
I would choose to lose the ability to speak. Because you can always write what you want to say.
exactly.
You can learn sign language
Exactly.
and hire an interpreter.
I can imagine me can't read.
In this 21st century,
Read.
so I'm done.
Don't like other Charlie Smith.
So, to have a taste of this now, sample it.
Me I eat it, so it's fine. It's fine. Nothing to do it. I do it. But people don't want my chicken taste.
So let's show me a sample.
That's just my secret barbecue recipe though.
What?
The secret barbecue recipe.
Oh, I taste the barbecue.
If I barbecue chicken, you know what taste of barbecue?
The sauce is down in the flesh, not only on the surface. So it's soaked, well soaked.
Lord Jesus. Cover me. Eat good.
So go on.
I'm good. Ask me next question. Really big.
So, would you rather lose a year of your life or rather be in jail for a year?
That me can't remember 1 year of my life, or I die 1 year early.
Can't remember 1 year of your life.
Yeah,
Lose
me.
it.
Yeah.
So you get to choose.
Well, the question never says so, so I'm going to assume that I can choose. So me I gonna say, me rather not remember 1 year, 2016.
So would you like to share with the viewers
No.
why 2016?
No. Spend 1 year in a jail?
No, sir.
I don't think nobody would have spent 1 year in a jail willingly.
Me as a man, now spend 1 year in jail. No? I'd rather lose 1 year of my life. 2020. Even doing the
Next month,
finish.
2020.
Even doing the finish yet.
I left on the pandemic. And we're going to go on in 2020.
But after when the pandemic started, it seemed like it could be there until December. Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or always be 20 minutes early?
If you don't know me, all who know me, must say me ever late. Everything me late for. So, I'd rather be 20 minutes early. I'd rather be that. Like even today, this is supposed to start from 11:30. What time now? Almost 5 o'clock.
Almost 5. Almost 5. I always late with everything. 20 minutes early can't help her same way. In the extra 20 minutes means some would be extra early. Most occasions.
Big okay juice, man. That's when I already started drinking my one from last night, so.
Right, yeah, share me down.
What do you want, the bread?
With everything.
No, nothing. You get more than me, no. You get more than me.
You should have want to look bad.
No. Another.
But they say a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Reveal man, alright.
Who said that?
That's sweet.
Question for you, not a would you rather. How much seconds day in a year?
Huh?
How much seconds day in a year?
What's the cause then a day?
No, me ask you first.
I'm trying to break it down. 24 hours in a day. How much seconds make a ball?
Guys, comment down below and tell me how much seconds day in a year.
Who know tell me? Don't go on the internet yourself.
I'm gonna tell you.
200 and... What?
12. January the 2nd, February the 2nd, March the 2nd.
When you say seconds, I think you talk about time.
I know it's a trick question. You wasn't supposed to get it. How much months in a year have 28 days?
What's what?
Months in a year have 28 days.
How much months in a year have 28 days? No one. No one.
All of them. I have 28 days.
Not in that sense.
Would you rather have a man give you mouth to mouth?
Basky boy!
For bringing you back to life? Or
Resuscitate.
resuscitate? Resuscitate. Resuscitate.
Yes.
Or you're dead.
I would rather die.
Batty boy! Look how much my man made feel. You saw that video of the old man, right?
Would you rather know the history of everything or every object you touch, or being able to talk to animals?
Being able to talk to animals.
Sure. One of them crazy ones.
I'm gonna send my cat get spy up on my man.
No.
You hear that? Should I trust you? Should I trust you?
Not just people. No.
You see? That leads me to another question. You hear that? She can't sing. Can't sing one bit.
I told me can't sing with my eyes or sing.
So I forgot to ask her the question here. Like how she can't sing. Would you rather have a golden voice or a silver tongue?
What's the difference?
Hmm?
What's the difference?
What's the difference? One is voice and it's golden.
Mm-hmm.
and one is silver and his tongue.
But the tongue signify, alright. The golden voice signify like you can sing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what the tongue signify you can speak well? Wow.
Well, tongue mean able to speak in a way that makes other people do or believe what you want them to do or believe.
Alright, the silver tongue. Me can convince them so me can sing.
So why you want silver tongue where you can convince them so you can sing? When they just have the golden voice where you can just sing.
Yes. But with the silver tongue, me can also do other things and can convince people of other things. Can't convince someone say, they give me all that money. Any man give me?
I want the golden voice.
I have a tongue.
Girl like a man who can sing. That's right. Sing and make the girl in weak.
Watch out. If you say so.
Would you rather go back to the age of 5 with everything you know now?
Or
Know now everything your future self will learn.
go back to the age of 5.
Or know everything you know now? Why?
Because some stupid decisions I made, wouldn't have made them.
I don't think we made a stupid decision I know.
I made a whole lot of stupid decisions. Lucky you. Lucky you.
So those stupid decisions, they might affect it terribly now. Or just some simple stupid decisions. Make sure you want to check in every week. If you're a different dish, you know, Money Top Chef.
That are even embarrassing to remember. Like, almost fight over man.
The youth not clean. It's a clean youth the last time I checked. The youth clean.
You could go back? Nothing. You not take him. Wrong,
say
Snatty!
They say almost. Never happened. She never made decisions same way.
Yeah, but the moment was still embarrassing.
Oh. Youth, why you do it?
Why you do it, John Crow?
Why you do it? Everything your future self will learn. I want to know that right now. Right now in 2020. But I want to know everything with my future self I going to know. So if it is that I'm going to live for say 40, all the knowledge that I will gain going up to 40, I want to know it now. So I can do everything right now. And live it right now. So if I know that I'm going to be a millionaire at 40 and the strategies I took to be a millionaire, I just do them right now. After COVID gone. And everything can work.
If I was 5, I just know to the stupid mistakes I'm gonna avoid.
It means you
Like some new company, not like some new company now where I make like that are very successful. I'm gonna create them for myself. Like TikTok or Facebook.
You know for create apps?
No, but knowing the knowledge I would know, I would be into creating apps. So I can learn how to create apps.
True. So when you have 5, Facebook never come out?
No, I would mean about 9th grade. I'm something, I'm belly full. Can't manage some more.
You're going well out.
Alright, this is the end of the video.
Yes guys, so please remember to like,
Subscribe,
share the video,
and comment. And remember that his channel will be in the description box down below. So head on over to it
and take a look